In April 2022, I participated in One Best Trader hosted by EdgetoTrade, a competition that was highly regarded by stock traders. At the time, I was in my 5th year of trading and I managed to win 2nd place in the competition. Now in this video, I want to explain a few crucial points about that experience. Firstly, the similarities between the official trading competition and the prop firm funded challenges that are popular nowadays. Winning the competition was similar to passing an online funded trading challenge in many ways. So I do want to share my personal experience of how I was able to beat the challenge with traders who are interested in currently pursuing the funded trader path. Secondly, I want to emphasize how I had to adjust my usual trading strategies, rules, and mindset specifically for the competition. I have previously made this video to share why I don't recommend beginners to take the online funded trading challenges. But if this is the trend right now, I hope that I can share my experience in winning the simulated trading competition with you, especially in terms of what I had to do differently than my usual trading discipline. And most importantly, my reflection on how that affected my psychology. So as a developing trader, you can at least be aware of how a trader's mindset is changing when they are dealing with the simulated trading conditions and the rules of a funded challenge. Thirdly, I will explain what I would hope to see in a prop firm and the type of prop firms that I would support and recommend traders to join. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences with me in the comments section as you're watching. I hope that we can make a positive impact on the trading community altogether. How the competition was similar to funded trading challenges. Similar to an online funded trading challenge, there were rules in the trading competition that I joined. Everyone started with a simulated account of $50,000. It was a demo account with 4-to-1 leverage, giving me $200,000 of buying power. I could only trade US listed stocks and ETFs. No overnight holds were allowed, just like many online prop firms today. The competition lasted for 20 trading days, same as those funded trading challenges with a set expiration date. If you dropped below your starting balance or didn't trade for more than 14 days, you were disqualified. It's basically a challenge to grow your account under pressure with strict rules, a countdown timer, and a leaderboard tracking your performance. If you have taken a funded trading challenge, please let me know if this sounds familiar to you. In my opinion, this competition was good for traders who wanted to try out EdgetoTrade's platform. EdgetoTrade is a very professional trading platform that traders can connect to their brokers and get high-speed execution and direct market access. But still, like the prop firm challenges today, there are a few crucial factors that could negatively affect traders' development. This competition made you feel like you had to maximize performance on a timeline. You weren't just trading to grow your equity, you were competing against a scoreboard. As I have explained previously, having an urgency to hit certain profit target is a huge red flag that developing traders should avoid. Even in my experience during the competition, seeing traders jump each other on a moment-to-moment basis, and me in the middle of the pack trying to establish myself in the group, it was like a race. It's like a track meet. It's like, it's like a horse race. Like there's a new leader every 5 seconds and you're trying to beat the other person right in front of you. And in order to do that, you got to trade more. You got to overtrade. You got to trade aggressively, trade a little bit bigger. It's and then you see certain people trade certain instruments and what's working, and you got to do it's a different environment than trading real money, So it's a different environment. It's adding a lot of pressure onto your decision making already, so it throws you off. And at the same time, I'm there to win. I'm there to win the competition, and so is everybody else. So it's the focus is to win the competition, to place higher in the leaderboard rather than make more money and protect your capital. It's a different experience than trading real money. In terms of trading execution, I definitely had to trade more aggressively than usual because I was trying to win the competition. Okay, so I was trading a real account while I was trading also the competition account, the simulated account. And with my real account, I would trade. I had one of my best months leading up to that time. It was like $70,000 a month, high $70,000 a month. And the simulated account, I got 2nd place at the end. But I remember the real account, I would trade certain sizes, very conservative size, because I'm protecting my capital. It's real money. And then the simulated account, I would trade even double that. I think at one point I was the rule is just trade double what I trade in a real account. And and I would time it a certain way, so at the end of the competition, because some people the last hour or so or the last half an hour, they're kind of content where they're at. They're trying to protect their gains in the in the trading competition, but I would wait to surprise everyone. So like everyone thought that I was gone for the day, but I would place an extra trade just at the closing bell, like a quick scalp with like full size, like a $50,000 full size using full leverage at the last 5 minutes, like choosing just a scalp, and just to surprise, so like no one else had a chance to counter me, you know. So like if they see me make a certain amount of money, they're not incentivized to now all of a sudden get active and go bigger just to beat me, you know. So it's like, who does that with real money? Like the second before the bell ends, you do a scalp of full size leverage. Like you don't do that with real money, you know. So you do that with this account because you want to place higher in the leaderboard. So it's like the priorities are different for the simulated account, for a competition account, than with the real account. And at the end of the day, we're like, this is all like, we want to make real money. We got to have the behaviors to make real money. So I was aware, like like the behaviors that I was developing over these 20 days, I was like, I don't want to have these behaviors like for real trading. I got to watch out for that. It's like in baseball, they have the home run derby, and like some baseball players, you know, the all-stars, whatever, they go to the home run derby and they develop a bad swing because now they're just swinging for the fences. So like a good hitter has to be aware that like, okay, this is the home run derby. I can't mess up my own swing like for the rest of the season because I'm developing a bad habit in the home run derby, you know. So it's a different kind of a you know, situation when you're trading like simulation and real. So it's a way different game. I traded more frequently, even taking setups I typically would skip because there was pressure to stay active. Actually, I remember at the end of the day, I would scalp like Apple. I would go like full size and like scalp like Apple or something. I don't know, something like Apple, Tesla, and I would just go, if I needed to like take a risk to like jump the next person, I would do that. And it worked very well actually, because you're just scalping for a little tiny gain, you know? The point here is that I intentionally changed my strategy to match the competition's goals. While I managed to come in second place, it made me realize how easy it is to develop bad habits in a simulated high-pressure environment. This is exactly why funded trading challenges can be harmful if you're new or still building your foundation. So the biggest problem that I see in today's funded trading challenges is that they are not rewarding the trader who protected capital the best, but they rewarded the trader who performed the best within the limited trading days. And that's where the mindset shift starts. And for the less experienced traders, that's where they develop the bad habits that ruin their potential in becoming a consistent trader. If you are already a mature trader, these challenges are great to test your trading skills, and you can gain monetary rewards. But if you are new to trading and still finding consistency, I still recommend paper trading on your own account rather than taking an online funded trading challenge. Good trading practices that I recommend. If you resonate with my sharing so far, please give this video a like. I'd appreciate hearing your feedback in the comments. Now let's switch gears and discuss the good practices that I recommend, especially if you're new or still finding your way in trading. First of all, don't rush the learning curve. Developing consistency in trading takes time. If you force yourself into unrealistic deadlines, it creates unnecessary stress. Instead, set realistic goals to learn, grow, and adapt. Second, start with realistic paper trading. Use simulation accounts with real brokers like DodgeTrader Pro connected to Cobra Trading. These platforms give you realistic order fills, accurate level 2 data, and simulate real market conditions, something most online funded trading simulations lack. Third, trade a small account with your own money as soon as possible. When your own capital is at stake, you'll quickly learn the realities of emotional control and discipline. Even a tiny account, like a few $100s, is enough to teach you valuable lessons about risk management and execution. And finally, invest your time and resources in proper education rather than quick fix solutions. Avoid shortcuts like funded trading challenges that pressure you into bad trading habits. Spend your money on learning real, repeatable strategies, solid fundamentals, and trading psychology. Trading is about patience, discipline, and gradually building your skills. It's never about hitting arbitrary profit targets in short time frames. Yes, I do have a membership for traders to join the Friendly Bear University, but if you can get direct access to a verified and audited trader with a proven track record in trading, and if you can get a complete structure of what you need to master step by step, and most importantly, you gotta do it in person, come and learn from me in the US Bank Tower along with other real traders in the Friendly Bear University. Not only that, A structured education teaches you how to use professional trading tools such as Ask Edgar, the most powerful AI stock research tool, or statistical tools that give traders a real edge such as Flash Research, or even tips on how to get the fastest order execution speed and lowest trading commissions using Cobra Trading. These are all real trading tools and techniques that only the legit traders who are actively trading every day can share with you. If you could model your trading after someone with a track record, would you take this route, or would you rather put your money into online funded trading challenges? To wrap up my sharing today, I want to acknowledge that there are still legitimate prop firms out there that I would truly recommend. They are more on the traditional side, and they are real regulated trading firms based in North America, such as S&B Capital, Trillium, and 7 Points Capital. These companies are committed to training and recruiting traders. They invest in in-person mentorships and internships rather than selling online funded challenges that are designed to make traders fail. If I were to recommend a prop firm, I need to see that they are looking for traders to help them trade their capital rather than customers to pay for their challenges. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to drop a like if you can relate. You can continue to learn about my trading strategies for free by clicking this playlist over here.